the perfect combination between education, profession, and hobby.
Speak English now.
Lesson 2. This is Carissy.
She is from Sweden.
She lives in Stockholm.
She is 21 years old and single.
She speaks 3 languages.
She speaks fluent Swedish, German, and English.
She speaks a little French.
She is learning architecture in Stockholm University.
She has been learning architecture for 3 years now.
She loves traveling to study old buildings architecture.
She says that there are beauty in old architecture.
She is also working as a language teacher.
She is teaching English and German.
She has many students.
She is teaching them through the internet.
She is interacting with her students using video conferencing.
She knows how to manage her time well.
She is both a student and a teacher.
She is a student of architecture.
And she is a teacher of English and German language.
She usually spends her free time visiting ancient buildings.
She is interested in ancient architectural design. Now interview Carissy.
Hello Carissy. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I would like to ask you a few questions.
Just go on.
What is your full name?
My full name is Carissy Jonsson.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I learn architecture in the Stockholm University.
How long have you been learning architecture?
I have been learning it for 3 years.
Why do you choose architecture and not something else?
Simply because there are beauty in architecture. Architecture is both an art and a science.
May I ask you a personal question?
Personal question? Okay.
Are you single?
Yes, I'm still single.
How many languages do you speak?
Swedish is my native language. And I speak fluent English and German. So I speak 3 languages in all.
How do you finance your education and traveling?
I'm also a language teacher. I teach English and German. I teach almost every day.
How many students do you have?
I have about 150 students in all.
You have so many students. How do you manage to teach your students?
I create video content, and sometimes using video conference to teach my students. And I also use interactive online quizzes to track their learning progress.
How do you balance between your study and profession?
The key is focus. Just do only the highest value task first thing first.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is traveling. I love visiting ancient architectural artifacts to study them. And I create video for my students to teach them languages when I'm traveling.
So you are actually combining education, profession, and hobby. That's simply incredible.
Yes, the key to balance them is by combining them.
Thank you for such an interesting interview. I appreciate it very much.
It's my pleasure.
Would you like to have dinner with me now?
That would be great.